All right, so we'll be going at 4-hour time frame. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with S&P 500. We have the candle at the top, spinning top. Okay, market is showing the sign of weakness everywhere. Exactly at the equal high of this point, we have this spinning top. There is no volume in this area. 685 is the gamma flip wall. If we do not break 685, market will pull back. Downside 680, $5 correction right here. And then if 680 fails straight, we are going into 666. So right now we will be watching at 685 price, whether the market will hold 685 or it will fail. This next candle will be the volume fill up candle on the 4-hour time frame. So means first 4 hour. Okay, the market will also show the reaction to some public government data today, which was at 8:30, and that's probably the reaction coming from. If you go on a smaller time frame, this sell-off is all because of that. So what we'll be looking at 685. We'll be closely monitoring this area. We break 680, we'll be buying some long call. Okay, and if we fail 685, then we'll be looking for the put side, short side of the data. Okay, moving forward to Amazon, we have the trade here. This pullback was 100% calculated right here because we have this trend line coming from the higher high to the lower high to the lower high. Third touch point, big long wick right in this area. When this candle came, I particularly highlighted that there is a trouble on this particular candle right here. And this candle is coming from the equal high of this order block, sell side right here. So this pullback is into wave 2. Okay, overall on Amazon, there is nothing to panic. It's a good buy spot right here. So this is your wave 1. This is your wave 2, precisely to the Fibonacci retracement. Wave 3 will be straight into 250 area. So all should have the Amazon trade right in this area. Moving forward to BBI, we closed the trade yesterday for the profit. We are not opening a new trade. This pattern has completed, and we'll wait for the retracement back into under 6 area. So approximately 70 to 80 cent drop is coming, around 10% pullback. Moving forward to BMNR, yesterday we sold the covered call on this one, and right in the morning we have a $1.50 drop, $1 drop right here. All the calls are green, and we'll wait for a little bit more retracement here to figure out where the retracement will be. This is the area you'll be monitoring right here. So you take the fixed volume range profile, swing point lower high to the high, value area low. This is the area that you'll be closely monitoring, which is $30 max. Okay, there is a possibility the price drop right in this area, which is at 33, and bounce again. But this is inverted A, B, and C, and that's why sorry, because this is area A, B, C. If you're looking at wave A, B, and C, when this happens, you expect a little more drop in the market compared to the normal pullback. So most likely this is the area we'll be monitoring, 29.77, 29.90, like $30 plus minus few cents. That's the way value area low. This particular order block, the opening of this particular candle is very interesting to me. Area of interest, which is 30.29. So $30 few cent, and then we bounce again towards a 44, 45 area. Moving forward to bull, we also sold some covered call yesterday on this one, and we are holding again a little bit of pullback, but it will hold. It's holding. I'm really looking at $10 reclaim on this one. After 10, there is no volume. Then the market need to gap up to 12.50 after 10. Moving forward to coin pullback, this is into the wave 4 on a smaller time frame. So what are you looking at? Internal supply right here, 1, 2, 3, and this was the internal one, and this is the 4th internal one, which is also the wave 3. It's still the wave 3. This is not the wave 4. So make sure you understand clearly. This is not wave 4 right here on a smaller time frame or a 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is the 4th of the insider of wave 3. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is somewhere the wave 3 will end all the way here, and then there will be a wave 4 right here, a little bit more downside, and then 5 will end at 350. So we are still in wave 3. This is internal supply right here. So it's nothing to be worried about this sell-off here. Moving to circle, we had a decent bounce off, another pullback, again, internal supply into wave 4 of wave 3. means there's a more upside left. This stock will go around 112 area before it have any solid pullback. So from here, continue to be bullish and 112, and then we are looking for a pullback. And where we are looking for the pullback, if you go there on a daily time frame, so what we are looking at right here, 112 area, which is the Fibonacci retracement back, and from here to here, if you want to figure out, so from this wave, this is wave 1 on a daily time frame, and from 112, then you can look for the $90 pullback, and then continue towards 148, 150 area. So something like this you will see. From here, we'll go to 112, pull back into 90, and then bounce into 148 area, which is the high of this candle. And that's where the trend will end. Okay, 148 area, this current trend will finish. After that, we'll see the pullback again. So upside target 148, and the current upside 1112, then downside in 90 area, and then upside 148. Moving forward to HIMS, so we are bullish on this one. We'll continue, the price will continue going upward. We are at 40 area, which started at 32. Nice bounce here. We'll continue going upward all the way to 50 area. It's not going to stop unless we take down this point. Okay, right in this area, right here, which is 51, 52 area. This will be the next lower high, but it will not break out from 52. Right at 52, we need to take a decision and exit the trade. This is what we are looking at. This cross point, which is the previous month high also, right in this area, which is 51.62 area, and you will see that another pullback will start because this will mark the lower high. If you look at carefully now, what you are looking at, you see a downtrend, a clear downtrend here. Yes, Netflix. Okay, so you see here, this will be the higher point, and this is the trend right here. So what will happen if the markets need to take down? So if you want to figure out how much it will fall short, take this point and take this area. You have this lower area, drag this area exactly into this area. So the price will not cross this 56, 57 area. And right here, there is a sell side order block. So there is no chance it will cross 56 upside. Before that, it will have a solid pullback. So make sure around, we are targeting around 52, this order block, previous month high, right here, PMH, and we'll be looking for an exit in this area. Moving forward to high, we have closed the 3 trade back-to-back in profit, a double short put on this one. We are waiting for another retracement. Unless the stock bounce off the 200 EMA right here, okay, we are still struggling to break 200 EMA on a daily time frame. As soon as we have a cross through of 200 EMA, the stock will turn bullish and straight going into way higher upside, like $5.89, $6 range. So we are looking for 100% bounce after we claim 200 EMA. Till then, we are watching. We have done 3 trade. Every pullback will be repeating the trade, exact same trade. Li Auto will continue holding our short put. There is nothing at this point we need to do. We most likely, this is the bottom candle. We already have a spread candle, ultra high volume, stopping volume right here. We'll be monitoring this. This candle is the volume fill up candle. Next candle will decide the trend. Do not take any decision based on this candle. Moving forward to Mara, the stock is coming back slowly. This was the pattern we were looking at. On a 4-hour time frame, we are looking at head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3 side up, and the price will continue. What I'm looking at the 1594 retest 200 EMA and equilibrium area, and then there is another pullback after 1594. So we'll continue holding our trade all the way to 15.94, and then we'll decide. Moving forward to Melly need to pull back. We have a spread candle on a daily time frame, means retracement is about to happen here. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll have a clear visibility of the retracement. So here you go. The market is already in exhaustion level right from this candle. We already have the stopping volume candle, the highest candle right here. So none of the candle has been able to break the high of this particular candle. It means the market is shrinking under this candle. All these candles you see from here, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 to 11, last 11 candle are engulfing with this particular candle. So when you have so many candles engulfing in this area, that means the market is in exhaustion and not being able to break out of this melt up candle where the market had a melt up, means a retracement will happen. Retracement around $2,000 will happen. So about $135 drop and then bounce again. Particularly to this candle, this is the candle I'm looking at. This order block right here, this one, and highest volume was traded right in this area. If you look at VRVP area right here, because after that there is no volume right here, so the market will hold around 2020 and then bounce back. So this will be the decent retest and bounce. And also there are multiple support line coming from here in this area. You see that multiple time, 1 point, 2, 3 point right here, also have here, here, here. So multiple time the price was bouncing off this area. So this retracement to 20.20 and then we'll have a bounce. So there is a support line right in this area. Moving forward to Meta, yesterday when the stock bounced, we were watching clearly, right? We were live, and on this candle, what were you looking at right when this candle came? And we managed to sell the call right away. And those who were in profit, we took the exit right in this candle right here, 685, 680. Roughly, I think most of us took the exit around 683. What was the reason to know that this candle is the last candle of the melt up and the next candle will fall short? Look right here on the volume. If this candle has a melt up volume, ultra high volume, means this candle, none of the forward candle, like moving forward, all the candle here, 5, 7, 10 candle will not break the high of this candle. As soon as you see this ultra high volume is your alert that, oh, I need to exit my trade. That's the buying climax. Okay, and suddenly then look at the wick size. We got this heavy selling pressure, and right away we sold the call of 680. Within few hours that turned over $2,000 into profit, and that was good catch here, shorting 680 call right at 683 area. Okay, so now what we are looking at, we are looking for a little bit of retracement. There is a fair value gap right in this area, so eventually you will see a little bit more retracement than here. So this candle was testing 200 EMA, so it came like, you know, to test the water, and so pierce through, come back again. None of the candle has been able to break through the 200 EMA. So this is the area we'll be monitoring. Once the candle break on a 4-hour time frame, break 200 EMA, again, we'll be taking the long position. Until then, we'll wait for the retracement. There is no breakout here. This is the watch out area. This is not the trading area. So whenever you are trading a stock, you should know that when to watch out, when to trade. It was a trading area right here when I was telling everyone, go for Meta. Meta will not stay here. Meta will not stay here. Okay, and when the price was here, most of people were asking when the Meta will bounce, when the Meta will bounce. Is it going to 500? Is it going to 400? Okay, it's normal psychological impact when you see the stock selling off this much. But this was the bending market, and I'm multiple times highlighted it's a bending market. The market will go up. So same situation right here. Now, this was the buy area. This is not the buy area now. Now you. All right, we are back. So let's start again. All right, so we are back. There was some problem with the Google Chrome not loading the chart or something. All right, here we go. So what we are looking on the MSTR, we are looking for the retracement right here. A little bit of retracement. This is because of Bitcoin pullback. Nothing to worry about here. I'm looking for the little upside here. With the minimum upside, I'm looking for this particular area right here, which is 281, 285 area minimum. And then we will decide what we are going to do with this. So from here, the price is in upward momentum and will continue towards the 280 area. And then we'll see where the price will land us. The maximum I'll look at around 360. I'm not expecting a single penny above 360. It's not going to happen. That's the max I'm looking at, because even this stock goes to 360, it will put the Bitcoin back into 160, 120,000 area. That's the maximum we are looking at. And that's the area most likely all our trade will be in profit around 360. Okay, and we'll continue holding this here. So moving forward to NEO, we took the trade yesterday. We had closed 3 trade in profit. Third trade we closed yesterday. We were buying the share and selling. So first we bought and sold 5,000 share for profit. Then we again bought it 5,000 and sold for profit. Third time we bought it, which we are holding. Yesterday, day before yesterday, we bought 15,000 share and closed them yesterday for profit. Right away, we switched to the call option of $5 call for 15th of May, which is in profit right now at the market open. Most likely, I'll be closing this call and wait for the little bit of retracement, because today is Friday and the market will be a little bit of shaky. So if the price pull back around 501 something, I'll be re-entering the same call. So the market open, this call will give us per contract about how much is giving us. I don't know, but there's a profit. What's the profit like? Every 5 contract is $100, so that makes you like $20 per contract. Yeah, so we'll be taking the profit and then we'll be monitoring this on the live, so it's fine. Nothing to panic, because I see the sign of weakness here, and I'm looking for the 501 area to pull back, because we have a rejection of 200 EMA on a 30-minute time frame. So most likely take this fair value gap right here, which is 503. So this is what I'm looking at, and that's the reason that if there is a profit on the call and we are expecting a pullback small, we should take the profit. So right here you see, and done, and then continue upward all the way here, okay, which is 551. So if the pullback happens, right away we'll close the call and take the profit, and then we again continue in the trade. Moving forward to NVIDIA, we have to go on a daily time frame to understand what NVIDIA is doing. Okay, NVIDIA has a trouble mounting ahead, even though the elite wave pointing high upside. But this is the area that I'm looking at, maximum this area, which is 192, 191 area, and then the market will sell off. Okay, there is a solid resistance in this area. If you look at from behind, right in this area, okay, and there is a lot of downside from here. This stock eventually will see 142, and nothing can stop that. Nothing. No matter how bullish you are on NVIDIA, it might go to $300. Yes, it can go. No one to stop that. But 142 area is imminent. It will come when the market sell off. And the reason for the sell off will be the NVIDIA itself. Okay. We are in very similar pattern. If you must have seen this exact pattern on a Tesla when it was selling off. And when I go to Tesla, I'll show you. So NVIDIA will be the reason for the sell-off. And today we got the U-bot, which is AI and robotic index, the leverage in ETF. And that also showing approximately 30 to 40% downside, which is also the part of a repeat of structure. So that means the AI and robotic stock are ready for a pullback. So NVIDIA will be the region. I'm looking for 190 plus minus few cents. And then I'll be looking for the downside trade. Moving forward to Oscar, we are ready for the next trade. We can short the put. We have mitigated this the area which we were looking at for a pullback. We exactly captured this entire run. We were waiting for the retracement. We have a spread candle. This candle is not bullish candle. This is not bearish candle. These two candles, you need to understand what's going on. This was the spread candle, and all four candles are engulfing in this one. That means these four candles are the volume fill up. This candle is upside volume fill up. This candle is downside volume fill up. The market has not taken any direction since the last 4 days. Right here, there is no direction in last 4 days. This is just a volume fill up, all engulfing candle. Okay, so wait for some breakout happening. So we have EMA bullish cross opening up. So overall looks bullish. But if you want to buy, we need to wait for a better entry around 1664. That's the good area to enter. Like another about 60 cents down, that will be a good entry. Moving forward to PNW, I have multiple time mentioned, and I have this line drawn on the chart, and I saved it. This is wave B going on. It's just a retracement. Do not get overexcited on PBNW right here. This is not the excitement. This is just a recovery, and then a major dump will happen on this one. Okay, this is where the bottom will be found. 160 area is the bottom. So there will be one more sell-off. If you look at this one, look at this chart like this. When you bring the chart, you see what's going on. So all these people, those who have been buying right from this candle, which was on 14th of August, where is all this entire pattern of this entire pattern? Where is that liquidity sitting? Is right under this candle, which is at 165, and give it another 5% right here. Another 5% of this one, which is the stop loss of people around 160 area. This is where the bottom is. This is where the bottom is sitting on PNW. If you are buying around 160 plus minus few cent or $1, $2, doesn't matter. Let's say your entry is at 162 or 158. It won't matter. The price will not stay there, because then it's right away, it will bounce in next few days. If I show you the example, I can show you, I can find you. Okay, look at this exact pattern. What happened here? We are here at this point right now. This is the point we are in going on. So the price went up, down, retraced, all-time high, came down. This is where the liquidity was sitting when this trend was going on. Once you identify the liquidity area, then you know where the hell the stock is going. So this is where what happened. That's why I told you anything below this area is nothing to be scared of. What will happen? There is a liquidity was sitting right under this candle, sweep 1 to 3 days and bounce. And look what happens. If your entry is here, here, or here, it doesn't matter. You will never lose your trade. That's the only thing you need to do, is just give it like 4 to 5 days, and that's it. And then bounce here. So pay close attention. Take this area, take a picture of this area. Look what happened here. Up, down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, B area, C, liquidity grab and bounce. Exactly same structure we are here. You see that? The up, all-time high, swing low, swing high, A, B, C. Also, if you look at internal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So even if you buy at 160 or you buy at 158, doesn't matter. Here, you cannot lose your trade. There is a zero chance that you'll be losing money if your entry is here or here. Doesn't matter where. $1, $2 plus minus. Okay. So what will happen? The price will have a liquidity sweep under this point, bounce, and within 2 to 3 days, the stock will bounce, and the target will be back into 195 area. From 160 to 195 area, that will be $30 to be made on this one. QQQ, we are looking for the sell-off. Very similar setup with the S&P 500. QuantumScape, I don't have a trade. I'm waiting for the little bit of more downside on this one. This setup is not going to sustain this one. It will sell off once again. Okay, and most likely 976 area to even worst case, we can go to 7 area. That's the max. Like it can literally go to 7 area from here. So we have been out of the trade since here. We knew where it's going. We are waiting for that trade. Most likely, this is the area that I'll be opening the trade anywhere from this point. So 924, 950 area, that's my area of interest. Before that, I will stay clear. This order block here. Moving forward to Rivian, a lot of people are excited about the Rivian that, oh, it's not stopping. It will stop. When it will stop, you will see it only dropping to 13 area. This is how the market take down people. What I'm looking at, I'm looking for the big green candle on this one right here before I take a short position. Until this ultra high volume candle comes here, I will not touch this. No long position. We don't have a position. We exit the all trade around 1553 area. We book the profit from the 14 to 1553 and we are out of the trade. We are sitting at the double top. There is no more clear double top than this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. You see that? So nothing to be greedy or chasing the stock. Stay clear of Rivian. There is a lot of trouble ahead. All right, moving forward to SMCI, we are looking for the recovery. Stock is bouncing off nicely from this candle. What we are looking at, we are looking for 44,200 EMA right in this area. And maximum, we are looking for previous month high, which is 52.88. It's not going to break above 52.88. So make sure at 52.88 will be out of all our trade. Moving forward to SoundHound, nice bounce yesterday. All our trade are in profit. If you want to hold, you can continue hold. We have multiple retest of the 200 EMA. Next 2 to 3 candle, we will break the 200 EMA and the price will continue to turn bullish. S&P 500, we haven't done S&P. Oh no, we started with S&P 500. All right. So again, equal high right here, double top, and the market need to sell off. Everyone is waiting for the market to sell off. Generally, what happens in this case when you have like so many tweets going on, oh, market is ready for a pullback, the equal top, this, that, market will never pull back. Never. When the people are like, because this is how the mass retail investor think in a same direction. So everyone is looking at, oh, it's an equal top and they will buy the put and the market will push them upward one more time, finally. So make them take the loss on the put, and then same people, those who are buying the put at double top will end up buying the call at 689 or 685 plus. Oh, now double top has failed. Let's buy the call because now we are going up. And as soon as they buy the call and the next candle, then the same shit happens. So buy side liquidity and then tank. So it will make them take the loss first on the put, which they are holding right now. And then they will switch to bullish. And right as soon as they switch to the bullish, then it will take them back. So they lose both sides. And that's why people lose money, because they switch their analysis. We are bearish and we are holding our short put and we'll continue holding this one. We don't have any problem. We know where the price is going. Okay. But this is what you need to pay attention. Market will never do the, like whatever the action the people are expecting, double top sell off. It will never happen. Do whatever you want to do. It won't happen. Market will push higher and then sell off. Eventually it will sell off. Eventually it will go to 666 or 670 area. But it will not happen when everyone is expecting. That time you will see the break of structure alerted here. So right here, you will see the system picking up right here. Next candle green, and you will be alerted as a break of structure here. And I'm writing and you will see it. Okay, break of structure right in this area. And right break of structure, change of character alert here, and then take this equal high. which is 689, and then sell off. So market generally behave little bit different than the people can, people can think about the market, how the market will come down. Okay, moving forward to Tesla, a lot of downside on this one. Currently, short term, I clearly mentioned multiple times, short term, we are bullish on this one. This stock can literally push to 483 area before it sell off, but sell off is imminent. The sell off will happen, and there is a big time sell off happen. The price will drop into 300 area. That's where the next bottom is. Moving forward to Wix, Wix is continued dropping, and I clearly mentioned this box right here that there is a little bit more downside. Okay, we don't have a stopping volume on the red candle here. Neither we have a green dodgy candle at the bottom. So it means the price of the Wix will continue declining. Either we should have on a daily a spread candle like this one, bullish engulfing like this one. There is no such pattern, means trend has not changed yet. So we are waiting. There's a little bit more downside here before it bounces, but eventually it will bounce to 21. Okay, moving forward to Bitcoin, we are in a pullback area. This is what we are doing. What's the pullback going on here? On a daily time frame, spread candle, volume fill up upside, volume fill up downside, and bounce. So we are in a volume fill up area. There is no sell-off going on right now. A lot of people will be thinking, oh, Bitcoin is selling again. It's not selling. It's in the volume fill up. You see this particular candle. When you know the things, then you know what's going on. So this is the volume fill up area right here. Maximum it can drop to 86, and that's it. It will not drop below 86. From 86, it will bounce again. Okay, when this candle came, this was the clear liquidity sweep. Maximum it can go here, 87, 88, anywhere, but that 1,000 area, 87 plus minus 1,000. So this is the area that you can look for. If you want to try to figure out precisely, then you go to the fixed volume range profile right in this area and swing low to the current candle right here. You see the point of control right here, which is 87.070. It's not going to this candle. This is the candle that it might target, which is 87,000 plus a few $100. So 87,200 area, 150 area. So that's the area possible retracement, and then the wave 3 will start and bouncing. Also, if you want to see, let's check the anchor VWAP. Here you go. You see that right here, the center point, which is 88,150. So roughly plus minus 88 plus minus few $100. That's the area of interest right here. Everything is pointing for the price to consolidate in this area before it bounces. And what will happen from here, right here, retrace right under 2,000. So this is the kind of price action we are looking at. So it's not a sell-off, it's just a pullback within the volume fill-up area. Moving forward to Solana, I have a trade going on. I took most of the people out of the trade at 143 to book the profit. I'm in my trade because I have enough capital to manage the trade. And I'm trading downside as well. So most of you are out of the Solana, and 130 area. Be ready at 130.10. That's the area that you'll be buying your trade, like next long entry. So 130.10 right in this area. See that? Anything below this is a reward for you right in this area. This was the liquidity sweep, pseudo dominance, exact candle, same area, means market will hold this area, which is 129.54 area. Market will hold that. So I'm looking around 130.10, a little bit of more retracement, and then bounce straight into 170 area. The next bounce on the crypto will be huge. That will be the wave 3. Solana will go to 173, Bitcoin will go to 107,000. So maybe in the next couple of days when the bounce start, that will be a very quick bounce. People will not be able to catch it. Moving forward to Netflix. Netflix was alerted. The bottom is 91.10, right here 98, right in this area. Around 112 area, it was clearly mentioned. The bottom is 91. We have a little bit more downside. We have internal demand keep coming up. And today, I think there is some deal going on. I haven't looked at the news on that one, but 91 is the area. 91 is the area of interest. Till then, stay clear. There is more downside here. When you see the big candle like this one, what you already know, what's the opposite of this one? Right from here, you know what comes opposite of this candle? Right here. There is no volume, slow decline. The price will continue dropping, and you will see. So a little bit more downside here, few more dollar downside. Okay, so what will happen? Big wick, the price will recover a little bit today itself, a little bit of recovery, and then another sell-off. Very similar to the Meta price we saw. First drop, then little recovery, and then another drop, mark the bottom, and then go back and never look back. So 91 area will be the next bottom on this one. Moving forward to Oracle. Oracle, it was already alerted to add. Now it's too late. It was alerted here, right in this area, 185. I alerted the bottom is in, right at this candle. Under 200, it was alerted the bottom is already in. Now it's too late. We have wave 3, price will continue going upward. Minimum target will be here, 234, and then we'll decide. Okay, the price is bullish. So it's too late for the Oracle now. You don't buy the stock after 9-10% upside. So if any retracement comes, maybe you get an entry, otherwise not. Okay, so market is open. Let me log into my account because the system kicked me out today. We'll be watching the market tide today. It's Friday, very important what's going to happen. Anytime you see those, all of us in the group have that link from the Markets Chameleon. As soon as you see the first candle sell off, make sure you take the put side of the direction on everything, because then the market will sell off. Most likely today, the market will see a red day. There's no reason for the market to be green today. Okay, right here we have this thing. All right, very good. SMCI is bouncing off hard. Very good. I'm happy with that. So I'll go to our unusual option. I'll go to Bloomberg terminal. This is what happens when you open a lot of windows to work and suddenly the Google stopped responding. 687 call is a lot of interest today on the S&P 500. Yeah, and that's what's going on. Yeah, they're pushing for 687, 685, gamma flip bullish. So the price has already flipped the 685 wall right in this area. There you go. 685 already bounced, as I clearly mentioned. When everybody is expecting a sell-off, it will not happen. And that's the reason here. Right here, you see that the market is green, 0.25%. This equal high is taken successfully and no sell-off. Market will not sell off when every Tom, Dick, and Harry think they know the market and the market will sell off. It will never sell off. Always look on the other side. Where is the path headed? Path we traded on the earning. This is 16 was the area that we are looking at. From now, you should be out of the path. There is no upside left here. Wait for the retracement. This, if you know what I'm talking about, this area, you see, what do you see here? A big green candle, another big green candle. What do you see on the opposite of this side? You already know what will happen. So there is nothing to see here. It will be coming back like this one. So making a top here, slowly up, down, up, down, up, down, top, and then tanking back into 13, 14 area. It's not worth it, any trade. You should be out of all trade right here. 1621 was my price target, and that's where I was out. So it will not hold this run. So 527.19. Okay, so right here, this is what we are looking at. Sell-off coming because of the public offering. Good stuff to buy after this, okay? But the real interest of buying is at right in this area. The real buying where you want to capture the value is right at 2352. There is no value before that. You can short the put in this area, but do not buy the share. Even if it's a drop, a lot of people will be excited. Oh, SoFi is going to 100. Let them take it to 100. None of my business. Let them make a lot of money. Okay. It's normal for the, especially the immature trader, you know, those who recently entered the market 5 months, 6 months back, and they are excited to make a lot of money very quickly. For them, it's an opportunity. Oh, red candle, let's buy it. And again, we will go back to 20, which you don't understand is this candle is a dilution. The public offering of 1.5 billion means the value has been wiped out. Why it has to go back to the same area? What is the reason? Nothing. The value has been wiped out. It's a dilution, means this is what the real value of the company now. You have more share. Unless you have another some catalyst coming, earning better deal or something like that, the price will not go back up. And the public offering has 30 days to close, which starting from 3rd of December. Okay, so 30 days exactly. If you want to know when the stock will bounce, right on the 31st day. We have seen this hundred of time, not one time, hundred of time. It all started with the Farmi public offering, and since then we have been going, be it Rivian, be it Lucid, be it QuantumScape, be it we have seen 100 of public offering in between. Okay, the previous Palantir offering, we also have seen some other stock public offering like Mara, like RIOT. Okay, so it will take next couple of days before the price will consolidate. Do not jump into buying the share. This is not the price you want to buy the share. This spread candle, bottom of this spread candle, which is anywhere from 24.77, is the minimum you should be looking to buy. So let the excited kids lose some money here, because the public offering, the amount which is the 15%, and the stock has only dropped 8.5%. So there is another 7% downside left. Means another $2.57 off 27. That's put us into 24.50. Precisely 24.50 is the area that you should be looking to buy. Okay, there is a downside here. Just because the stock is $1 down, don't get excited. That's why people lose money. 50 cents down and they think, oh, now it's an opportunity. Stock don't move 50 cents. They move 30, 40%. And the result is in front of you. Look at the Mara. Look at the BMNR. Look at the RIOT. Look at the BBI. Look at the SoundHound. All stock went 50 to 60% down in last 1 month. So don't jump on 50 cents. All right, nice retracement on the coin. A little bit more, retest this candle right here, which is 264, another $2-3 area. We can look for the scalping on the coin, I think. Previous day low, right in this area, 262 area. A little bit more drop. Where is the VWAP line? Right in the VWAP is dropping. VWAP is dropping along with the price, so there is no entry here. Stopping volume already. Okay, next candle will not break the low of this one. This candle can push down, but next candle will not break, because this candle is currently in formation. So this candle may push this point even lower, but next candle will fall short. Next candle will be the recovery candle. This is how you catch the candle. So if you have entry at this, you'll end up making the profit today itself. This one, this is your entry, 265.19. Next candle will close here. Right here, like this. Next candle cannot take down this candle. Okay, right here again, a spread candle on the circle, stopping volume. Most of the market, the sell-off which is happening right now is looking to stop the market here. It means recovery is, market is looking to recover. Everywhere you see the spread candle. Here you go, Hive. So fourth trade is ready. That's why when we are in profit, it's always good to exit. Mara, Nelly, Meta still holding green, very good. MSTR, again, this clown is selling off. NVDA 181. Okay, I have some calls expiring today. I don't know how I'll be dealing with this. 175 call I have sold, which is in the money now. $623, 180, 123. Okay, the premium has vanished. It's just the in the money is holding this, so I'm good with that. 170, 175 for the next week. If I roll, I think I'll be rolling this call. Okay, hold on. Let me look at my trade first. Delta, gamma, theta, position, okay, volume, okay, right in this area. Okay, what we are looking at. If I roll 5th of December into 12th of December and sell this one by this one, this gives me 410. It will give me $90 in profit. Okay, $90 of profit. Very strange. Okay, let's see. All right, NVIDIA on a 15-minute time frame has a support line right here. Okay, where we were looking for scalping today is 585, strong wick. Okay, sell off both sides, Uno card, long wick, back to 685. Tesla 455 again, stopping volume means a top is in on this candle for the day. Wicks downside. Okay, the Wicks bounced. This is what the Wicks was playing with the market today. All right, let's go to coin. That's where we are looking for a trade. Okay, right here 265.19 entry will never make you a loss. It's already back from this point. You see that? So 265.20 back into 268.30, already back $3. That's how you identify the trade. Next candle cannot go beyond this candle. Yes, the path, the steep vertical move, market will not hold. Market can't hold. You see that? This is what I told you. The next candle will be exactly engulfing right here. Next candle cannot take this point. And you see that already $3.80 in just right here. So when you see this kind of opportunity, you need to jump right away. Suddenly the volume vanished and the stock will start recovering. Someone was asking for Mara. This is your opportunity again. If you want to buy, this is the area that you want to buy. Okay. Where is SOXL going? Why I'm looking at SOXL? I have now 900 plus running profits. I'll still let it run. I wanted to run all the way to 50 area. A little bit more. That's what I'm looking to close. I've been holding it since here in 41 area. Running profit right now is 948 plus 26, 74, 974. And I wanted a little bit push, a little bit more, like take down this point right here and then sell off. $50.22. This is the area, previous month high. That's what I'm looking at. So a little bit more, like another $3 upside right in this area. Once we take down 15.20 and I'll be out. Okay, 686 back again. We have a gamma flip situation today. QuantumScape selling Arabian 1829. The top is in on the Arabian. Next candle will be falling short. Next candle will not cross this. If you want to see, very similar candle right here. You see that? And the next few candle down. Next few candle from here, down. Next few candle from here, down. NVIDIA, next candle will be in coming back like upside recovery. $35.25. All our covered call we sold yesterday are in profit. We'll continue holding them because it's for 26 December. Theta will take over. Okay, so we'll not close those because there's a more sell side moving forward. Scotia Bank, let me check what's going on. All right. Just give me 1 minute. I'll try to log in all my accounts. This is the problem when you have like multiple accounts, 695, 695, 295. Okay. Amazon 230. Decent. I told you every drop is a buy on this. And don't be hesitant when the price sell off. Buy Amazon. This is your stock. Okay, let's look at what's going on here on the Scotia Bank. Okay. Yes, so BMNR call we sold yesterday. All are in profit, 11.90%. That's cool. We'll continue holding these. We are not looking to close them. The bull is it? Bull is down. Why the bull call is in loss? Very strange. Those are for 2nd of January. Okay, we'll continue holding the bull call, which is red. Stock is recovering. Most of the position has recovered. We are getting closer day by day. So once we flip to $10 gamma flip wall, then we'll bounce upside quick, really quick. Till then, we are just waiting. If we are in wave 3, most likely you see the 1, 2, 3, wave 3, straight into this area. Previous month high, 1280 Fibonacci retracements, equilibrium area. So this area is imminent right here. Nothing can stop this area. Low volume breakout, excellent. That's what we wanted. This candle was the high candle. The price dropped, then the candle breakout. There is a change of character right here with low volume. That's what we need. We don't need an ultra high volume right here. So if it's a low volume breakout, the bullish momentum will continue. Okay, all right. Let's look at the market tide. What's going on? Okay, market is green. The biggest volume is coming on Tesla, Net, Avigo, Google, Intech, Google, Meta. So the volume is coming on these stocks, including SOXL, SPY, CRM, AMD, Alta. The volume losing is, I can share this screen. I'll bring it here. So let me see if you can see it. Yeah, you see it here? A little bit. I have to like up this. Yeah, you can see on the left hand side right here. So this is where the volume is piling up today. Tesla, Avigo, Google, Intel, Google, Meta, SOXL. That's why the XOXL is green. That's what I was just telling you. I have a running profit and I'm holding because there is a net volume going on. SPY, CRM, AMD, where the volume is losing. What is losing the volume? NVDA, SoFi because of the public offering, MU, which was marked as overbought, Microsoft, Snow, Hood is also losing. So this is the area that you are looking at the stock to pull back, this area. And these are you looking at continue maintaining the upside. Option sentiment 79.4, volatility 70, index 686.63. This website I only use for two purposes, market tide and GAX data. That's it, nothing else. There is a hell of data on this website, which is 99% is like useless. You can't scan this much data. There's nothing, like you can't take advantage of this data. You need another software to analyze this website. And not only this, be it bar chart, be it unusual option, be it chatter flow, be it Insider finance, there are a lot of companies which have the option flow data. This flows so fast. Look at this one. Flow feed, if you go to this tab, what the hell will you analyze of this data? You see that every second there are a million of contract. How the hell you expect to take a decision based on this data? This continue feed, like in every second there are like 1,000 of contract. And that's why I just look at the overview, because there is no point looking at this. Because all this is happening high frequency trade on through the algorithm, computer, machines. And the market has become very complicated now. So even on NVDA, look at that. Even in 1 minute, there are like hell of contracts. How do you supposed to capture everything? Like what's going on? And then time to time, you have to stop the flow to understand what's going on. All righty. So let's see number of days. That's where I generally pay attention. So 35 days, TSM 350 call, OTM call for 305 on TSM. Taiwan Semiconductor. This is what I'm interested in for 35 days OTM. 100% bullish. This is the call I'm interested in. So I'll be looking at TSM, another strike. TSM, OTM bullish, 7 days. Okay, the current price is 298. OTM call is going on. Hood, OTM, at the ask again. Tesla, 457 call. 12 December, ask. Not interested. There's not really a good. The 7 days, 7 days, 14 days, these call I don't even look at it. I need like more further OTM. This is the only call which I captured my attention. This one. 1,000 contract, 1 million premium, 305 TSM. That's the area. Let's see what's going on. There's a lot of data. Unless you are a professional trader, you can't scan this data. It's not easy to know that what are you looking at on a screen. All right, I won't be interested in that call because I'm looking for a sell-off, down, up, and then next down. So this is how you see supply, demand, followed by this supply. So this call, pass. Okay, let's look at 1 hour stock going on. Coin, that was coin we were looking at. Solana continued dropping. Okay, I closed my short on Solana a little early because that's what happens when you need to go to sleep in the night, and then you can't be staring at the screen the whole day. Okay, this is what we are looking at, the VWAP price right here, which is 133 area. Okay, so we'll be monitoring this closely. A reversal right here anytime. So 30-minute time frame, yeah, reversal is about to happen anytime on Solana. So monitor closely for the entry. Price target will be 145 once again. Bitcoin and 19,000. So there's a little bit more downside on a 30-minute time frame. We are in wave C. I will take around 88. That's what we are heading into. Worst case, we can go to like plus minus 88 is really the real target. It need to go there, which is also the opposite of what is this here? This particular area right here, wave 3, followed by the same reversal. So 88 is the real possibility, and even 88, there could be a like sharp sell-off right now. The next couple of candles can drop very sharp, like straight $1,000 drop. It's possible today. We already have $1,800 pullback on Bitcoin today, and there is another possibility of another $1,500. There could be one big fat candle like this. SPY holding above, liquidity sweep. Not excited for the upside. Tesla holding, WEX coming back, liquidity sweep downside. NVDA 186. Next candle will be upside. Means there is a scalping opportunity, $1 or $2 right here. Mara, good opportunity to short the put right now at 1195. Right now there is a short put opportunity on Mara. At the money put for 18 June 2026. Collect the premium. HIMS consolidating at 40. When you see this kind of pattern, this is not bearish pattern. This is a breakout, like consolidation before the breakout. Why this is not bearish, and most of the time you see the bearish, because we have to go to daily time frame to understand where is the sell off here. So prices continue going upward. That's why on a smaller time frame it will happen a breakout. Okay, 266, BMNR 35.32. Will not be closing the call for profits, just for a small profit. Okay, we'll continue holding those. So we have a 200 EMA reclaimed on daily, which is a bullish sign right here. You see that? Excellent. Little bit of retracement and bounce again. We are going to 52. Nothing will stop it. Amazon. Sometimes you need to see things against the system, which system is telling you. Look at this on Amazon on a daily time frame. What is system telling me? Is wave 1, 2, 3 down. ABC means price is going to 190, right? That's what the wave is telling us. But what exactly you need to look at is sometimes you need to look at the system against the system itself. What I'm looking at, this was the bottom of this order block. Okay, then we go back here, 1, 2, which is the perfect Fibonacci, and the third of this order block high. So even if the system is analyzing the stock that is going down to 195 area, you need to analyze against, because the current setup shows that is bullish. Okay, and that's why I say don't rely on indicator. Indicator will mislead you. If it's so easy to make money out of market, just follow the indicator, everyone will be rich. These indicators are available to anyone. You need to see the pattern, what's happening. You need to learn the manual of the market, not the just based on indicator says buy, you buy. All this Instagram reel, buy here, sell here. If it's that easy, forget about it. You are in a wrong profession. Market is the last thing you want to be following the indicator, because someone has also designed this indicator. Why he'll make it public for a free or a $400 subscription of TradingView, $30 per month, and they will sell that premium with thousands of indicator, which makes money for 80% discount on a Black Friday. There is a lot to think about this. Why TradingView doesn't shut down their business and use all their indicator for themselves and become the richest company on the planet? Why they are doing a charity for 80% discount? Because they know that these things don't work. Even TradingView knows that the indicator doesn't work, but they are selling you. All right, so this account we are good. BMNR cover call sold, bull cover call sold. I'll close my Scotia, go and see what's RBC doing. RBC Bank. Okay, so this account is 100% protected, hedged. Okay. 035532956929. Okay, 035532956929. All right, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so here we have direct investing. There is a couple of positions stuck here, especially the GME on this account has been stuck for a while. It's coming back now. It looks like this time we'll be able to exit GameStop, because the covered call we sold for 19 December is already stuck in the money. So that means the price is going upward. If we get out of GME, that will be the best exit now. This bounce. Okay. And on the top, if this call goes worthless, that will be even better. So this call goes worthless 426 and then price bounce to 28. Bingo, that's what we need. Okay, BMNR call here as well. Okay, everything is good. We have collected enough here. Okay, do I need to? USD. What if I go here? Let me see BMNR. If I'm adding hell of BMNR. I don't know what the hell is going on. Okay, so BMNR here. I will end up few more share adding today. All my account has BMNR everywhere. 5-10% of exposure is on every account. All right, so here we are looking at 2nd of January BMNR. If I buy now at $36, then I will sell the call here, which is 32 plus 37. So 36, this gives me, I'm trying to sell in the money somewhere, because I don't want to just keep buying and buying and buying. It's not a good habit. Okay, so 26th of December, 33 gave me 440, which is 36, 33, 340, and 36, it will be called 51.11. Only this account which has the higher break even. Rest all account is 3687 divided by 2. That will 33 will be called away at 33. That will deduct. Practical way, they will take $1,000 away from the account. Okay. 19th of December, Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. Is it worth adding here or no? 3131. This is what I'm looking at Ethereum to bounce into 3,500 area right now. I don't see any pullback coming in this area. It's maintaining 3,000. Yesterday it went to 3,000. That was the drop we were expecting. And after that we have a green candle. This was the drop yesterday. I alerted to someone in the Discord that, hey, look at this is right where here somewhere, or it was here yesterday. Yeah, this is where I alerted. So the price went back, equal, take the liquidity, bounce off. It really need to break out here. We have a bullish symmetrical triangle, up, down, up, down, up. Bullish symmetrical triangle breakout. Okay, looks good to me. Mara, anyone need to short the put if this is the time? Coin, here we go. You see that? That's what you need to understand. When the price drop, you have an ultra high volume. Right after, the candle will start turning green. That is the bottom. That's where the bottom is found, right here. 265 area, right now trading at 271. 100 shares, $600 already profited just 15 minutes. That's how you make money. Okay, and when the market was here, all stock had a long ultra high volume. I told you market is trying to find the base, and right here you see the base here, or most of the stock will find the base on this candle. You see here the base. Amazon is going in another direction, so it's a green. So just past this one, there is no point looking at this one. This is also green, 40.77 on the HIMS. Okay, everything is good. Melly, wait for the retracement. Meta 666, bloody hell. I hate this shit. Everything goes and end up at 666. Look at the price. I don't know what the hell is going on. Why I see this number every time. Okay, 512. The yesterday $5 call is still in profit, but now I don't think so. There is any point booking the profit because we are ready for the recovery. We have this. Next candle should be green. The very next candle of next 15 minutes. Upside. Focus on coin, focus on Amazon. That's it. And wait for Tesla to pull back. That's it. No other stock to pay attention to. And we'll be watching SoFi. SoFi has a chance to be included in the S&P 500 tonight. Okay, SoFi, there is a scalping. You can do the scalping right now. Short the put. Yep. But do not buy the share. Short the put on this one.
At the money put for 18 June 2026. I will stop the stream. I'll be active on the Discord. Okay. I need a 5-10 minute break. So, and because we need to alert, and that's why when I'm on live, sometime alert is missing, and that's why we have to stop this. Okay. Thanks. Bye. We'll pay more attention to the Discord. And I can't even look at people's account when I'm on the live. So I need to go and see their account side by side. Thank you.